welcome, welcome, boys. We're back. Another pick and pull video. This time I think I got you mounted in a better angle. I got you angled down a little more than last time since you couldn't see me jacking the badges off some cars. And wouldn't you know it, with my luck, the following day after I made that video, they got a town car in 03. And it's a few days later. This is now Wednesday, so we need to find that town car. Hopefully get the door module out of it before somebody else did. Here it is. Oh, this one's got a brand new alternator on it. Looky there. Mass airflow sensor. Belt's a little worse for wear. This thing's not even wrecked. Why is it here? I don't think my O2 has the same connections. Otherwise, I would have a premium radio here, huh? Alright, first order of business, let's get the badges so we at least can get something for the $1 we had to pay to get in here. Yeah, this interior, man, I hope that door module's still in there, because it looks like they took that whole center piece out. Hopefully they left the damn door in the module. Quite sad if it's missing. And then I'll have nothing, no reason to be here. And even I can do body work better than this. And my body work sucks. Okay, the door panel is still on, so I'm going to assume the module's still in there. So now we just got to hope it's the same part number that I got. So I'll set you boys up on the interior. Watch me take the door panel off and either be really sad or really happy at that part number. Okay. Off to a good start. Door does open. Alright. Let me see where I can put you boys up where you can see me. Kind of use the armrest to kind of hold you in a position there. Alright, I think we're good there. Yeah, I don't know why this car's here. It's not wrecked anywhere. It's mint. All around. Except for that freaking shit bodywork, but other than that. Alright. Well, let's get to disassembling. Okay. I might use a screwdriver for those down there. They're always so hard. As you can fucking see. Bring a screwdriver that size. I know I did somewhere. There it is. Okay. Right there. using the screwdriver the whole way, boys. Thin screwdriver for this. It's held in by like fucking gum or something. What the hell? Alright. Torx driver. T30. Alright. Oh, this thing's, why is this so loose? Because somebody took the module already. That's why. The module's gone, boys. Well, who would have put this thing back together on here? This module must have gone before it fucking got here. Son of a bitch. Well, that's a fucking waste. I got rooked. Shit job putting it back together too. Well, that's all I needed, and it ain't here. Gone. I guess there ain't fuck else to do, boys. Well, boys, unless I find something else, I'm just going to close it out here then. Fission mailed. But, thanks for watching. Peace.